Hi guys, luto tayo ng squid. Magprito tayo, mag-fry tayo ng squid guys. Tapos ayan, ano natin siya sa cornstarch at saka flour at spices. Pang crispy. Ayan. Ayan guys. Tapos, prituhin natin guys. Para masarap. Kasi si Papi gusto din niya yung piniritong puset, fried squid. Ayan na guys. So ayan. So thank you for watching guys. Malapit na maluto. Ayan, luto na guys. Thank you for watching. Let's eat na guys. Fried squid. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.